All right, let's go on. It's speaking part one. You got to answer the questions. Do you write a lot?
Yes, I like to write a lot. Like to write research articles. I am from the academic background, so I often find time to write. So I write articles and journals as well. I also write for the newspapers, like editorials and columns.
Okay. Do you think the things that you write now will change in the future?
Yes, of course, because things are changing day to day. Technology is advancing, so that's why what I write today is for few years, because technology is advancing and things are changing day by day. So it may change.
Okay. Do you prefer typing or writing?
I prefer writing because it improves your skills, and you don't have to work on computer. So I prefer to write on paper, and I don't like computer to write for writing.
All right, this is good. So just try to connect the ideas,
Okay,
and
sir.
at the end, one sentence conclusion, and go on systematically. Direct answer, elaboration, and conclusion at the
conclusion.
end. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's go on. It's your turn, please. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about weather. Weather is not season. Season is like, periodical, 4 month, winter season, summer season. Weather is daily atmospheric condition. We call it weather. So, what's the weather like in your hometown? What's the weather like means how is the weather of your hometown?
Mostly, समझ सकते हैं क्यों नहीं बोला जाता.
Come on, what's the weather like in your hometown? For example, in my hometown, we've got all four types of weather. First of all, in winter, it is very cold. Sometimes it reaches -1. Secondly, in summer, the weather is very hot. And we do have spring season as well, when the weather is moderate. So I would say in my hometown, we've got cold and hot, both type of weathers. That's it. Okay? All right, let's go on. Do you prefer cold weather or hot weather?
I prefer I prefer cold weather.
Good. Why?
Because it is we can feel easy.
Hmm.
We feel uncomfortable in hot weathers.
Hmm. Hmm. Come on.
सर
Listen.
मैंने इसको आगे सुनाया, इसको ठीक सुना रही थी.
है ना
पता
वही
नहीं
ना
क्यों मेरी यहाँ
मेरी
आके
आगे
nervous-
गश पे जल्दी हाँ. All right. So, do you prefer cold weather or hot weather? Whatever you want to say. Well, it depends. I enjoy every type of weather. In cold weather, I love to eat oranges. In hot weather, I like to eat mangoes. So, I like any type of weather because weather is not my choice. Something like that, okay? All right. Do you prefer dry or wet weather? Dry weather means sunny day and wet weather means rainy day.
Rainy days, I like rainy days because you feel much better than in
I
dry.
feel much better or you feel much better? I feel.
I feel much better than dry season. We can enjoy in rainy season
Good.
a lot,
Good.
and
Okay, this fine. Listen. Try to overcome your nervousness, and when you are answering the question, do not evaluate yourself. Okay, just cut off yourself from the audience, from the people around, from this environment, and focus the question and answer the question. You'll be fine, okay? Don't worry. Thank you.